guys, welcome back. Today we have a Xiaomi Mi power bank. So Manish here, you are watching tech channel Unbox ReflectiveTuber. Back guys, make sure if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. And today we have awesome new product, that is Xiaomi power bank of 20,000 mAh for unbox and review. As you can see that there's a question over a pack, so let's unbox it. Grabbing the scissor, be careful guys, with sharp instrument. And here's we are going to unbox the product. And here's a box and a paperwork which contains guarantee card. Let's keep this aside. Talking about the packing is very good and great. Here's the package or the box that we got on the package, and at the back we can see that there's same caution as the outer package and detailed information about the product. And at the front of the box we can see that there's a MI branding, and at the back top right corner there's written scratch for security code. That's the verification code, so let's scratch it. That's the verification code for the MI. Okay, so let's see what else we have get inside the box. Let's open the box. And guys, if you wanna own this product, then link is available in the description below. Please make sure to purchase from the link at the description below. Products that are produced by the Xiaomi are great. They even produce everything that are necessary for our daily life. They make the new smart products. This is our power bank. Along with it, there is a fast charger supporter flat data cable. Okay, inside the box it contains a flat data cable C-type port supporter. The fast data cable or USB cable is about 22 to 25 cm long. It's enough to charge your power bank. With the help of same USB cable, you can even charge your phone or tablet from a same USB cable. This is the main power bank of 20,000 mAh battery. Now let's take it off from the rubber. The body is made dotted structure for the grip and a complete white in color. Edges are not made so sharp, they are round and are well polished. A single power bank, you can even charge two phones at a time. The middle port is used for charging the power bank, whereas other two ports are for charging the phones or tablets. And at the right we have power button, which is clicky too. Let me show you by turning it on. Currently we have 50% battery remaining, which is indicated by the small LED light inside the power bank that you can see it's blinking inside it. Well, the product is great. I like this power bank. At the bottom we can have its specs. It is 20,000 mAh, input is 1.5 ampere and output is 3.6 ampere, and it can convert up to 90% of energy. At the front we have MI branding. We can use the obtained data cable to charge the power bank and even can be used for charging the phone. To be full charged, it takes about 6.5 hours. The design is great. It is handy and you can carry it everywhere as you want. Yes, It takes 6.5 hours to be fully charged. The power bank is made with the high quality parts. Its parts are great. It is completely made with plastic. It is never gonna break. It is white, shiny and attractive. It is quite heavy. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to be updated with our videos. 338 grams, that's a great improvement than other mAh power bank. This power bank is 20,000 mAh that can convert up to 90% of energy. It can charge Mi 4C, OnePlus 2, iPhone 6s, Utopia 1.7 times. It fulfills your phone power. You don't have to worry about your phone now. You can carry it everywhere as you like. What are you waiting for? Your phone wants it. Link is available in the description below. Order it for your phone now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.